So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a text box here in Google Docs. So if you just were to go ahead and type in text box right here, you're not going to add it. If you were to go to the top left and press insert, there's no option here that says text box, but instead go to where it says drawing, then press on new. Then on this page, go to where there's a capital T and a lowercase t, and that's going to be a text box here. So you can go ahead and create one. I'm going to type in text box just like this. You can then go ahead and play around with it, do what you got to do. If you want to make it larger, if you want to make it bold, if you want to change the color of the text, etc. If this looks good to you, go ahead, press save and close right here. And then your text box is right here. You can obviously go ahead and kind of play around with it. You can edit it, etc. If you want to add stuff, move stuff, do what you got to do. But that is basically how you guys can move the text box, or how to add a text box here on your document. So that's how you guys can add a text box on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.